What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. If you see my last post on Instagram, you've seen a cute grunge girl look I created and DIY'd. This outfit was created last year on March 27th, 2019. I wanted to talk a little bit about how the look was created and styled. I made this outfit from an old pajama pants that got snagged on something and ripped. Instead of throwing it out, I created something new. I originally started this outfit out with just a mask. I got Smile Direct Club braces and my mouth looked very swollen the first week, so I made and wore this mask so no one would notice it. 3 days later, I designed this cute two-piece outfit to go with my mask. Side note, all of this was created before I was fully recording my DIYs. I was just doing short clips and pictures to test out how I wanted to do my DIY section for my channel. Later in, I believe, April, I went to my IG story and I asked people to style me so I can get creative and be inspired to create a vibe for the show I was going to see. I didn't know what I wanted to wear and didn't feel like thinking of anything at the time. So in my responses, I got this vibe. In that moment, I wanted to go with a cute girl grunge look, but in order to make it work, I knew I would need to add more elements that make up a grunge look. First thing I grabbed was my Doc Martens, then I added high knee socks with this garter belt I made to add a sexy touch. Next came a black mesh net shirt to give that darker bad girl vibes, and I did minimal makeup with a dark bold metallic lip. The yellow jacket was a must-have to tie in the yellow thread on my boots. Last but not least, I pulled the look together with a fun hairstyle of 2 buns with 2 long braids coming down the side of my face, and boom, the look was created. This was my visual definition of a grunge look. I want to say thank you to everyone who responds to my questions I ask, because you are helping me create and use my mind in ways I might not have thought of. Let me know if you have any other ideas. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.